Hello, Chef here, and I'm making hummus. Hummus is a Middle Eastern dish. Of course, you've got to have chickpeas. These ones have been soaked in the can, of course, so they're basically cooked. You need a few other ingredients. You're going to have some garlic, some lemon, some salt, some white pepper, herbs, tahini, optional. First ingredient, garlic goes in the food processor. With the garlic, I like to put a little bit of olive oil right away. A couple tablespoons. The lid goes on. And you get this. Next ingredients are going to be a little bit of the chickpeas to help get that garlic going. The lemon, I like to squeeze in about maybe teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay. Sea salt. And you repeat. More chickpeas, more olive oil. Helps get it going. Aha! So the finished hummus should be nice and smooth. You use a spoon and you want to taste and adjust the seasonings like this. Oh, yeah, that's good. Now, serving the hummus. Everybody likes it, so this little appetizer is pretty nice. This plate right here, a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of dried herbs is nice, and some people even like to put a little more olive oil on there just to show what's going on in there. So that's it. Subscribe, share the video, check it out. You can eat your hummus with anything you like. I often like to dip a potato chip in there and try it out. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day. If you need either of these items, made in America, perfectly flat, perfectly square, NSF certified, you can get them right there at your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please click that little like button. Thumbs up.